Hi, this is Easy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to save a message on Telegram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. The Save Messages chat allows users to bookmark messages and media. It's a personal cold storage for any messages or media you may want to send or forward there. Internally, the Save Message chat is simply the private chat with ourselves. And in this video, I will show you how to do it, how to save chat to your save message. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Telegram. You can go to all messages and scroll down. I'm sorry. You can tap on the up left corner, the three lines over here, to find your saved messages. There's a saved messages. You can tap on that. Here, you can save a message to your Telegram like this. And if you want to if you want to save a message from others to your save messages, you can just forward that message like this. Tap and hold. You can forward to save message, so it will be saved on here. You can see. You can also save media on here. You can add pictures. You can also add videos on there, save videos on there, and the save messages. You can save any messages on your save message. So that is how to save message on Telegram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.